How to add animated title in Openshot. Give your video a professional introduction. Here's how to add animated titles in Openshot in just few taps. First, go to the top menu and click Title, then tap on Animated Title. A new window will open showing you a list of cool title templates from sliding text to glowing reveals. Pick your favorite template, then customize the text, font, size, and color. Once you hit render, Openshot will create a short animated title clip and add it to your project files. Now drag that animated title onto the timeline above or before your main video. You can trim it, move it, or add effects if you'd like. Want more impact? You can use multiple animated titles, like one at the start or one for ending. What style title are you using? Minimal, neon, bold? Let me know in the comments below. And once positioned, preview the animation to check the timing, then export your final video. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.